Hey guys, it's Alana. Nice to see you again. Nice to see you. It's been a while. It has been quite some time. First off, sorry about my hair. My hair is kind of disgusting right now. Anyways, I'm back. So I got my own place. I live in a condo now, and I have a new roommate. She's pretty cool. Her name is Eva, and I might have gotten 2 new dogs. Yeah, a lot has happened. I got a new job, I got a new life, but anyways, today we are going to be talking about DoorDash. Not a sponsored video because why would I be sponsored right now? Is a really great way to make quick, easy money. I've seen a lot of reviews about it and I want to check it out because I have a new job right now and it's a brand new job. I do eyelash extensions, but I work for a company, so it's like kind of slow right now just because it's brand new. So to make quick, easy money, I decided to do this. I haven't done it yet. This video is just talking about what's inside, how do you sign up, and what to do next. It comes in a big envelope. I'll show you the back, but it has like my address on it, and I don't want you guys coming for me. I heard like jingle noises in here. Do you hear that? Why is there jingle noises in here? There's Ready Set Dash on the front, and then it has little like sprinkles on the back. DoorDash first it's an online website. This is kind of like Postmates, but we don't have Postmates in Massachusetts or like anywhere around here. It's kind of like that, but instead of like actually personally like going shopping like clothing wise and like furniture wise or whatever, you only grocery shop for them. You're kind of like an assistant, but you can pick your own times. You can start whenever you want, and it's free to sign up. They do a background check on you and see if you have a license. So you better have a license. I'm just gonna show you what's inside the package and we will explore together what's in here. Here's the jingle noise that we heard. This is it. So the first thing that I see is this red grocery bag. I'm pretty sure you put all your groceries in here, or you've just put cold stuff in here. See, on the inside, it's made to keep it nice and cold. Some plastic. I'm shook. I'm kind of confused. On here, I'm just gonna take this off. Here it has little directions. It comes with a little pamphlet. So it says getting started on DoorDash, and then it says if you have an Apple phone or an Android phone, it just says like how to start it up. So it comes with a little debit card and set up direct deposit. Make your first delivery right now. Open the app and check the map to see if your desired location is highlighted red. Schedule your first delivery for later. I'm actually kind of surprised right now because it only comes with this and this. I thought it was gonna give you like shirts. Aren't you supposed to get shirts with this? I guess not. I thought you were supposed to get shirts with this, but I didn't. I guess whatever you want to wear, maybe just like plain black. So yeah, you can set your own schedule, and I guess you just pay with this. Oh my god. But I really thought that they were just gonna give you a DoorDash shirt because that's what I've seen, but they haven't. So I don't know what's going on with them. I thought that there was gonna be way more stuff in there, like 2 bags, 2 shirts, the card. I don't know. I just thought it was gonna have more instead of just like 2 things in there. I guess that's it. I don't know, maybe, you know, if you actually want me to start doing it and to vlog my first DoorDash. But yeah, definitely let me know if you want to see that. It'll be interesting. Also comment down below if you want to see my house tour because it is almost done. I'm so excited. The only thing that's not done is my basement, but everything else is done. Wait, I will show you guys my dogs because they're wicked cute. No, I won't. No, I won't. That's gonna be another video. Good. Bye.